Hello dear subscribers, today I will show you how you can easily, absolutely free create your own sticker from your photos on iPhone. So for doing this you just need to go to App Store. So I also tried many different apps, but only this app is absolutely free, and you can also try it. Stickers for Telegram. So just write in search tab stickers for Telegram and just click here on get and just wait until it will successfully download and install this app on your mobile phone, and you will see open button. So just click on open button and choose some image you want to create sticker, and just click here to choose zone. Choose a place, what place you want to get to sticker. For example, we choose only car. So just press your finger and just release finger when you finish selecting your car, and just click here after you select. And here you can see how our sticker will look like. So just click here and you can see that it's successfully saved to our camera roll, so absolutely free. And just click on done, and now you can also, we will go to our gallery and see if it creates our sticker. So let's try. So here you can see our gallery that it successfully created our sticker. So this is how it looks. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like, and goodbye.